Welcome. This is an overview of the U2V VJC Bldr, a Unity Pro companion tool. The primary feature of the Bldr is the generation of variable, alarm, and trend tags into a Vijeo Citect project from exported Unity Pro project variable content. As the developer of a Schneider Electric plant structure solution, I create some Unity PLC code and variables. I test that code, build the visualization in Vijeo Citect, test the user interface, and then repeat that cycle until the total solution is complete, with the overall solution being developed in an incremental process. The Bldr is designed to support the incremental process and includes features that reduce the time required to execute the steps of tag generation. I will present these features using the example content provided with the Bldr, and I will get started with an introduction to the example content. The default install path for the Bldr is in the Program Files Schneider Electric folder, and here is the content that is installed. The Bldr has features to interact with the example content. It is important to remember that the purpose of the Bldr is to generate Vijeo Citect database content, so the interaction with the content is with the example Vijeo Citect DBF files. A reset examples clear all deletes all records and all of the example Vijeo Citect databases in the examples VJC folder. Also note that the only Vijeo Citect database files that the Bldr touches are those in this folder. A clear all of the example content is the equivalent of creating a new Vijeo Citect project. The default example content is an OFS OPC driver-based solution with the Vijeo Citect servers and variable tags DBF files pre-populated, but with no alarm or trend tags. The example content for an OFS OPC-based solution is based on a system with 5 PLCs configured in the OFS configuration with device names PLC1, PLC2, PLC3, PLC4, and guess what's next? Yep, PLC5. Users should explore the example content as it contains many useful tips and tricks. Also, the Bldr remembers the setup used in each generation cycle. This minimizes the number of clicks required for repeated execution of the steps of tag generation. I will demonstrate this now. Access to the example content is eased by the menu item Set Path to Examples. This toggles the active default path to the example content. The last user set path can be restored with the menu item Set Path to Last Used. And know that this path is also restored each time the Bldr is opened. With the path set to the examples, I will create a new setup based on the default example content. The most extensive example content is associated with the Unity project for PLC1, so I will use the ZEF file for PLC1. The generation settings can be adjusted during the creation of the setup or after the setup definition is complete. Mouse over tips are provided in the setup tree. With the setup complete, the only process that the tool has completed is the referenced Unity project has been read and any new alarm area descriptors have been located and presented for naming. Then the variable's content is displayed on the Unity Variables tab. The Process Tags menu item is highlighted in green to indicate that this is the next action to be taken, so I will process tags. When the processing is complete, The variable, alarm, and trend tags currently in the Vijeo Citect project are displayed on the VJC Variables, VJC Alarms, and VJC Trends tabs. The VJC, VJA, and VJT tabs display the Unity variables identified with each of these U2V syntaxes, and any updates that the builder discovers are displayed in the Variable Updates, Alarm Updates, and Trend Update tabs. The menu items and update tabs also provide indication of discovered updates. I will allow the variable updates and generate tags. At this point, the builder has only added the variable, alarm, and trend updates to working copies of the Vijeo Citect database files. To update the actual Vijeo Citect project database files, click the Update Vijeo Citect Project menu item. Now I will reset and then use the productivity feature Use Last Setup. This is the feature provided to minimize the number of clicks required in the incremental project development process. This execution will not discover any updates because no changes have been made to the referenced Unity project, and the result is displayed in the tool status bar. To learn how the tool reacts to changes in the Unity project, the example content includes various types of modifications to the PLC1 example project. These are located in the XEF folder only. I will now demo how the tool handles changes to the Unity Pro project. The changes are adding a new alarm variable and modifying alarm parameters of an existing alarm tag. The tool discovers the new variable and presents options. When the processing is complete, the new alarm tag and the alarm tag with modified parameters are shown on the Alarm Updates tab. The new alarm tag is highlighted in green, and the modified tag's modified parameters are highlighted in yellow. The builder will not make changes to any existing Vijeo Citect database content unless the changes are allowed. The Alarm Updates menu item is highlighted in yellow to indicate that there are updates with modified parameters. Clicking on the menu item provides an option to allow these updates. With the updates processed and the Vijeo Citect project updated, this overview of the U2V VJC Bldr is now complete. The Builder Help What's New is updated with every version, and you will find details and many other important aspects regarding the use of the Builder included in the help. Thank you for your time and interest in Schneider Electric Plant Structure Solutions. I hope that your use of the U2V tools will prove to be profitable. Subscribe to this channel to see more demonstrations of Unity Pro tools, tips, and tricks.